Cocktails. What are cocktails? What are these drinks that are so attractive with fancy names? And sometimes we get overwhelmed about what they are, what we make of them. This video is more for those people who are new to drinks and they're trying to learn and to get to understand what there is out there in the market, and so that they are more comfortable when they're making their choices when they go for a meal or for a drink. For those who haven't met me before, my name is Anisia Mwaniki. I'm a lawyer by profession, but I have an interest in many other fields, and among these is a field of hospitality management. That's why on this video I talk about social etiquette, and I'm covering various topics, for example, on meals and table etiquette, and also I've had a number of videos on drinks, explaining, for example, the different types like spirits, liquors, wines, so on and so forth. So for those who have been following, it is easy to follow and understand a bit better what cocktails are. And for those who haven't, you can always have access to those other videos. So what's a cocktail? A cocktail is a mixture of different beverages that have been put together in such a way that none overpowers the other. Usually it will be a mixture of 3 to 4 different beverages, one of them being, for example, the base. That's why we can talk about a cocktail being a spirit based or a wine based. Then you will have a complementary beverage, and then a minor one, and then also what we call accompaniment or the garnishes to make it attractive, to decorate it. And then usually cocktails will be served as aperitifs, meaning that they are served before meals. That's why you can have a cocktail before a dinner, a formal dinner, for example, or you can have even just a cocktail party where you have these drinks served with snacks, savory snacks. Then when you go to a restaurant or for a drink, just get familiar with the drinks menu and the drinks list so that we get to know what is what, because they'll usually indicate what the ingredients are. Yes, what you know, whether it is spirit based, whether this is rum, whether this is a liquor, whether this is a wine that is included, whether it is lime juice or orange juice, whatever it is that there is in that particular cocktail. By the way, it is for some people it's a specialization. They even, I never knew, before, that they're actually called mixologists, the ones who specialize in mixing these cocktails. And then there will be a variety depending on, as I said, the main ingredients, or whether they are served for hot weather or whatever it is, yeah. And then they'll be served, the cocktails will be served in a variety of drinking classes. I've already had a video on that, on the variety of drinking classes. For example, it will be a cocktail glass, or what you call a martini glass. It could be a brandy goblet, or a brandy balloon, or a highball glass, or lowball glass, so on and so forth. Then as time goes by, we will learn a little more of the different classifications, the broader ones, those ones that are called coolers, crusters, frambe, I don't know, eggnogs, so on and so forth. That's what we get to know a little more, and that way we will be more comfortable when you're choosing our drinks, and we can take it a step further, trying to make some probably in our own homes. So keep up with the channel, subscribe, share the content, give me your comments, so that we move together in learning these things that are really part and parcel of our life, and we get a little more knowledge as we go along. See you in my next one. Bye.